So yesterday it was a Sunday and I finally watched my favorite superheroes movie, which was Spider-Man Brand New Day. So I watched the movie in 3D, and the mesmerizing thing was that Tom Holland pulled us to theaters twice in a month. Twice. I watched the Odyssey and Spider-Man Brand New Day. If you haven't already, it's one of my previous videos where I reviewed the Odyssey. And here in this video, I would like to talk about Spider-Man Brand New Day. So yeah, as I am recording this video, 24 hours from this, I watched the movie in the theaters, and let me just tell you, I reached right on time with my brother. So just as we entered the theater after getting our 3D glasses, the movie first scene had started, and from the Odyssey, I assumed that we were not too late because I think since we reached the theater few minutes early, I'm talking about the Odyssey, and to the movie starting, it took around 30 minutes. It was 11:45 show and it started by 12:15 or 12:30. So it took too long in the advertisements, as we all know what happens in India. So I'm not sure if I'm giving spoilers about this movie, so you watch at your own precaution. So I would say from the start that he watches Ned and MJ's videos and he feels lonely, and moving on to the next part, I do not remember. But I want to say that after this movie, I had a great chat with one of my friends, and I made so much sense talking about the Avengers. I was shocked because I haven't really watched much of the Avenger movies. I watched Spider-Man movies, like all of them, but I haven't been a deeply following fan, which I wish I was and soon will be. So yes, keeping aside this, I still made so much sense in our conversations about Spider-Man Brand New Day. So here's one of my theories. If you ask me the question that does MJ and does Ned remember Peter Parker and Spider-Man? Talking about MJ just reads the letter and she does not really remember the previous memories of herself and Peter Parker outside this movie. So the Zendaya's character does not really have any memories of Peter Parker uh, outside of this movie, The Brand New Day. So yes, she does know who Peter Parker is as Spider-Man, but she does not remember him as her lover, is my theory. And talking about Ned Leeds, everybody loves the handshake. I've seen so many reels of it, and I think, as we know from the movie, Ned is a fan of Spider-Man. He's looking for the identity of Spider-Man, and he does meet Peter Parker the first time at either MJ's or his house when he's with the flowers. So he does know, but Peter Parker does not really introduce himself as Peter, calls himself Maynard. So that's what he remembers. And then the second meeting where where Ned meets Spider-Man, Tom Holland as Spider-Man at maybe Ned's house. So at that time, when Spider-Man takes the exit, Zendaya calls him out as Peter, and that's when Ned finds out that, oh, Spider-Man's name is Peter. And I assume that at the end, while they're during the handshake scene, so I think Tom Holland does introduce himself as Peter, or maybe not, but the handshake was totally muscle memory, and he does find out that the guy standing in front of him, Tom Holland, is Peter Parker and he is Spider-Man, but he does not remember the memories of him as a best friend. So that's my conclusion of this theory, and I feel it's really true. And I have to say, Sadie Sink was really beautiful in this. So I have started watching Stranger Things today just because of her. She looked really good in the Spider-Man Brand New Day, and her character was strong. Also, like any Marvel or Spider-Man movie or DC movie, we get to know how a villain becomes a villain, and nobody is born a villain. So you should watch the movie to know why Sadie Sink's character, Jean Grey, such a nice name, becomes a villain, or does she? So overall, this movie was really fun. Tom Holland does bring lots of humor. I think it's natural. I've seen in interviews. Even as Spider-Man on screen, he's really funny and the audience gets his joke. And Zendaya's character was good. Ned was not really much appearing in this. Frank was a good side character, supporting character. So yes, Frank was really entertaining and funny in this one. There are lots of meme on him. So I hope you do not watch reels or talk to your friends who could give you spoilers before watching this movie. So go watch this movie right now and comment down what do you think about this movie. So I think this movie was great, and the most talked scene should be, and I assume is, the scene where Tom Holland and Zendaya are on top of the building, and oh my god, we experienced so many emotions. Like back to back, the whole theater was like, and then emotional, and heartbroken, and then shocked. Oh my god, that was really, that caught us off guard. So yes, I am Vivan Jain. Subscribe to my channel, drop a like, and do comment after you watch this movie, or if you have already watched this movie, comment down your theories of any scene and let's discuss. So I hope you enjoyed. So bye.